Today I want to invite you to this gorgeous home located at 2675 Anderson Road out here in Sooke. Now what makes this property unique is that there's actually 3 individual residences on 2.5 acres. This home that I'm in right now is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, beautifully handcrafted from fir trees that were harvested originally on this site. Located right next door is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And there's a 3rd residence as well, a potential income generating tiny home here on site. My name is Duerksen from Coast Capital Realty, and I'd love to be able to show you through a property like this. If this is something you're interested, please get a hold of me. Let's come take a look.